Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Windows so Android can run smoothly. Enable virtualization in your BIOS. Once done, turn on Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux in Windows Features. Make sure Windows 11 is up to date, because compatibility matters. Next, install Windows Subsystem for Android from the store or opt to sideload it by enabling Developer Mode. I'll show why these pieces are required. They provide the runtime, kernel, and integration layer that let Android apps behave like native Windows apps. You now add Google Play components into the running WSA instance. First, get a G-Apps package matched to your WSA version, then extract the needed APKs and libraries. This must match architecture. Once you have the files, enable WSA Developer Mode and connect with ADB from your PC. Push the APKs and native libraries into the appropriate system paths. After installing the account and services APKs, change permissions so the system accepts them, then restart WSA to let Google services register and initialize. You're near the finish. Open Google Play Store inside WSA, sign in, and install apps as usual. If something fails, make sure Play Services is running, clear its cache and data, then try reinstalling any problematic APKs. If apps crash or Google account sign-in errors persist, swap to a G-Apps package matched closer to your WSA build, because mismatched libraries cause most issues. As a last resort, uninstall WSA, reinstall the clean runtime, and repeat the installation. That often resolves hidden conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.